Chase Sapphire Reserve UC pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're serious about travel rewards, the Chase Sapphire Reserve is designed to deliver premium benefits. Most people get this wrong by thinking it's only for frequent flyers, but its points, perks and protections can benefit anyone who travels regularly or spends heavily on travel and dining. You earn 3 ultimate rewards points per 1 on travel and dining, and 1 point per 1 on all other purchases. For example, spending 50 on travel and restaurants in a year earns 15 points, which can be transferred to airline and hotel partners or redeemed through the Chase Travel Portal for extra value. The card comes with a higher annual fee, but it includes a 300 annual travel credit that effectively reduces your fee, plus priority pass lounge access, travel insurance, and global concierge services. These perks make it ideal for frequent international travelers seeking convenience and comfort. Additional protections include purchase coverage, extended warranty, and zero liability on unauthorized charges. Combination of elevated earning, premium travel benefits, and point transfer flexibility makes this card highly competitive. In conclusion, the Chase Sapphire Reserve card is perfect for residents who want high rewards, travel perks, and flexibility in redemption. If you travel often or value luxury benefits alongside robust points earning, this card delivers strong value that can easily offset its annual fee.